don't say I love you or express feelings enough. I've taken time with you for granted, but time is finally calling my bluff. Now I look at it like this: time is a construct, it doesn't exist, yet it dictates our life for as long as we live. We keep it on us, we lock it up on our wrists. It's like we think we're in control of it, but we're really powerless. I go through these highs and lows like how the tide rolls. My thoughts, they ebb and they flow. I could know, cause I really want to believe, but God to me, he's been an unknown. I want to achieve, but my thoughts, they won't slow. Overthinking shit every fucking day. So much that I feel the need to medicate. But would you rather live in this world or be put to sleep? That's the question I always ask myself. If I kill myself, the misery's over and it's all put to the shelves, comes very close. Every night I try to pull that trigger. And every time I don't, situations, they get bigger. I'm just a figure, but even one motherfucker could bring a difference, right? Ending this evil and making a better appearance, and it doesn't matter where we all come from. We can make it happen. But hold on, that's the change that will never come.